Looking for a professional dog grooming table? The GOPET Club 30-inch dog grooming table might be just what you need. This table is packed with features. It's easy to clean, space-saving, non-slip, sturdy, customizable, and adjustable. Let's dive into each of these standout features. The waterproof, static-free surface makes cleaning a breeze. Dust and hair won't cling, and you can wash the table without worrying about rust or damage. Foldable legs and a detachable grooming arm make this table easy to store and transport. When folded, it lies flat, saving you valuable space. Designed with goalpost-style legs and rubber-capped feet, this table offers stability and prevents slipping, ensuring your pet's safety during grooming sessions. The adjustable grooming arm allows you to find the perfect height for your pet. It's also detachable, offering flexibility and positioning. Available in 4 sizes and 2 colors, black or blue, the GT101 model measures 30 inches long, 18 inches wide, and 32 inches high, with a maximum weight capacity of 50 pounds. Users love this table for its ease of assembly, cleaning, and folding. It scores 4.8 out of 5 for ease of use and 4.7 for value. Overall, it has a 9.5 out of 10 rating. This grooming table is ideal for pet owners and professional groomers alike. Check it out on the link below today.